The fourth topic in General and Physical Geography of APPSC Syllabus 2024 is Climate, Structure and Composition of Atmosphere, so let's go through some of the important MCQs and its explanations related to it. And as you all know, one can write APPSC exam in English or Telugu, that's why I am going with English. If you didn't understand, no problem, just watch few times, you will get used to this, and let's dive into the topic. First, climate. Climate refers to the long-term patterns of temperature, humidity, wind, and precipitation in a particular region. It represents the average weather conditions over an extended period, often 30 years or more. Latitude, altitude, ocean currents, or wind patterns factors can influence climate. And second, structure of atmosphere. The atmosphere is described as the air that surrounds the Earth. The atmosphere is divided into 5 different layers depending upon the temperature conditions: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. And third, composition of atmosphere. The atmosphere of Earth is composed of nitrogen, 78%, oxygen, 21%, argon, 0.9%, carbon dioxide, 0.04%, and trace gases. A variable amount of water vapor is also present in the atmosphere, approximate 1% at sea level, and it decreases with altitude. Here are a few important MCQs related to it. What is the primary factor influencing climate on a regional scale? A. Altitude. B. Latitude. C. Proximity to water bodies. D. Wind patterns. Answer: C. Proximity to water bodies. Proximity to water bodies is a crucial factor influencing climate. Water has a high heat-retaining capacity, leading to more stable temperatures in coastal areas compared to inland regions. Which atmospheric layer contains the ozone layer? A. Stratosphere. B. Troposphere. C. Mesosphere. D. Thermosphere. Answer: A. Stratosphere. It is the second layer of the atmosphere, just above the troposphere, and extends up to a height of 50 kilometers. This layer of the atmosphere contains the ozone layer, which absorbs ultraviolet radiation from the sun and protects life from harmful forms of energy. Which layer of the atmosphere protects the Earth's surface from meteoroids? A. Thermosphere. B. Mesosphere. C. Exosphere. D. Troposphere. Answer: B. Mesosphere. Mesosphere is the third layer of the atmosphere, which extends up to a height of 80 kilometers. In this layer, temperature decreases with increasing altitude. Meteorites burn in this layer on entering the atmosphere from outer space due to friction with air particles. Which atmospheric layer contains weather phenomena such as clouds, storms, and precipitation? A. Troposphere. B. Stratosphere. C. Mesosphere. D. Thermosphere. Answer: A. Troposphere. It is the lowermost layer of the atmosphere. The average height of the troposphere is 13 kilometers, and its temperature decreases with the increase in height. The troposphere is the atmospheric layer where nearly all weather events occur. Clouds, storms, and precipitation are characteristic of the troposphere due to its proximity to the Earth's surface. Which greenhouse gas is released through human activities such as the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Methane. D. Argon. Answer: C. Methane. Methane, CH4, is a greenhouse gas released through human activities, including the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation, and leads to potential impacts on global climate patterns. What is the preferable layer for aeroplanes to fly? A. Troposphere. B. Stratosphere. C. Mesosphere. D. Thermosphere. Answer: B. Stratosphere. This layer is characterized by stability, low turbulence, and the absence of significant weather events, providing a smoother and more fuel-efficient environment for air travel. Additionally, the stratosphere's altitude offers advantages such as reduced air resistance and less atmospheric drag, enhancing the overall efficiency of flight. The ionosphere lies mostly within the A. Exosphere. B. Stratosphere. C. Mesosphere. D. Thermosphere. Answer: D. Thermosphere. The ionosphere lies within the thermosphere. It is located between 80 and 400 kilometers above the mesosphere, and contains electrically charged particles called ions, hence the name ionosphere. This region can grow and shrink depending on the energy it absorbs from the sun. The interaction of charged particles in the ionosphere with the Earth's magnetic field contributes to the formation of auroras in polar regions, such as the aurora borealis, northern lights, and aurora australis, southern lights. In this layer of the atmosphere, temperature increases with increasing height. Radio waves transmitted from the Earth are reflected back to the Earth by this layer. Satellites orbit in the upper part of the thermosphere. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe without forget, only if you felt the content is good.